In this video, we will cover how to adjust Lightbar settings on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, press Menu, press Setup, press the right arrow, press GPS, press the down directional arrow so that Lightbar is highlighted, press Edit. From this screen, we can change the Lightbar status, the mounting position, the brightness, the text mode, the proximity sensitivity, the LED spacing mode, the LED spacing, and the end distance. Once you have changed these to their desired values, press Exit. Press Exit again. Press Menu. Press Menu again. Press Options. Press Lightbar. From this screen, we can set our A point, we can set our B point, we can reset, we can pause, we can add or start, and we can clear or stop. We have now covered how to adjust Lightbar settings on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.